What can't you find?
My face.
What are you looking for, Cecilia?
My face.
You're looking for your face?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I don't know.
You don't know where your face is?
No. I'm gonna find it. I thought I was gonna find it.
You can't find your face?
It's a poke right here.
Hi.
Woohoo! I found his face.
You found your face. Are you gonna wear your hat to bed?
No. I want to have both hats. I do both hats.
You're gonna do both hats?
What's mine?
Oh no, your eye's gone.
Yeah. It's mine.
Oh, there it is.
Are we saving? Oh, sorry.
Aha!
Aha!
Are we saving these or are these?
Yes. Yes. Save it.